To enable the countdown widget, go to aThemes add-ons in the backend of your website and use the search function and simply type countdown. You can see the widget here. We're just going to have to activate it by clicking here, and it's going to be automatically saved. Now we're going to go to the page where we want to add this countdown, search for the widget, or look under aThemes add-ons. We're going to drag and drop it, and you can see our countdown. Let's have a look at some of the options. So first of all, we have the type. The countdown can be fixed. So for example, we're going to choose an end date, an hour for it. There it is. You can see how it changes. Or it can be evergreen, in which case we can add an interval like this, hours and minutes, 10 hours and 10 minutes, and the countdown will reset after this period of time. Let's move it back to fixed. Okay, we can change the alignment or remove the number separator. Okay, let's have a look at the content now. So these are basically the labels, singular and plural. So let's go to plural. So instead of days, you can just add whatever you need here in your own language. Expire action. There are a few things that can happen after the countdown expires. First of all, nothing happens by default, but you can show some text if you want. Any type of text. You can also add some basic HTML, or you can show a template, in which case you just have to select the template you've previously created with Elementor. Once the countdown expires, your template will be shown here. Or you can redirect to a new URL. You just put your URL here. Once the countdown expires, if somebody visits this page, they're going to be taken automatically to the URL you specify here. There are also plenty of styling options available in the style panel. You can change the settings for the wrapper, for the elements as a whole, or for the numbers, for example. Let's have a look. You can change the color for the numbers, or add a background color for them, something like this. The typography, of course, can be changed. Now for the labels, you can also change some of the styling options here. So you can add a color, a background color. The typography can also be handled here, like this, for example. And of course, you can also change the color and the size of the separators. These dots right here. Something like this.